Hello everyone. Hi, this is Diane. Welcome to Diane's Creation. And today I'm going to be making chutney, and I'm going to show you my ingredients. And today I'm going to be using lemon and lime and vinegar. I have here some salt, and I'm gonna put cucumbers and bandana. These are the ingredients I'm gonna be using to make the chutney. So first I'm gonna just tilt this down here like that so you guys can see. I'm gonna put in my blender here. I have here 2 mangoes and a pepper, 4 flakes of garlic, and 1 big Scotch bonnet pepper. And I'm gonna put all of this that I cooked previously into the blender. This is my chutney, the way I make it. And also I'm gonna cut up these cucumbers and put them in here. Happy Family Day to everyone, guys. Yesterday I cooked pulaury, so today I'm making the chutney. I haven't had a chance to make it yesterday, so I'm making it today. And this is the bandana I'm cutting up here. I'm gonna put all the ingredients in the blender, and then I'm gonna squeeze my lime. Squeeze all the juice out of this, guys. So guys, I'm gonna squeeze all the juices, the lemon juice and the lime juice for my chutney. And I'm putting in two limes. Two limes, guys. Get that in there. And my lemon. Guys, I have all the ingredients here, and I'm gonna blend now. Putting in the salt, one and a half tablespoon salt in there. My lime juice and lemon juice in here. I'm gonna pour it in here, guys, and I'm gonna blend my chutney. So guys, this is not the typical way people make chutney. They just use mangoes and peppers and garlic, but I'm using lemon juice and lime juice and this herb called bandanya, but it's like cilantro. And also I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. This is really delicious. You have to make it. I'm just gonna give this a little mix here, and then I'm gonna taste. This is the way I make my chutney. I'm putting in 1 more tablespoon of vinegar. And I think it needs a bit more salt. It's like a teaspoon of more of salt. Really good. You have to try making this at home. All you need is mangoes, garlic, lime juice, lemon juice, salt, and some vinegar, of course. That's all you need. Chutney. Talk to you later. Like and share, guys.